Hello student. Let's start with our English reader book, the very first chapter, that is The Mice That Ate Iron. Now as you can see the very first page, the title says The Mice That Ate Iron. Mice here stands for the rat that ate iron. Okay, so here in the story we are going to read that there was a mice and who ate iron, but how we will come to know when we will read the story. Here in Get Set, it's given four friends decide to meet at the duck pond in their neighborhood park. They all live in different directions. Now you have to help them reach the park by tracing the correct routes. So this activity you can do on your own whenever you get time. The books are already with you. So let's start with the chapter. Now, Mani Ram was a merchant, right? So what was the name of the merchant? Mani Ram. And who is a merchant? Who buys and sells the things. His most precious possession was a pair of iron scales. So he was having a very precious thing, and that was a pair of iron scales. Now Mani Ram thought that I have to go out of town and I am afraid someone will steal these weighing scales while I am away. As you can see in the picture also, pair of iron scales. So he thought that I need to go out of the town and I am afraid that somebody will steal my iron scales. So he requested. The next picture, please see the next picture. He requested his friend Lakshman to keep them safe for him, right? So he requested his friend Lakshman to keep the iron scales safe for him. This is all I have left in the world. Please, will you look after my scales? So this is the dialogue which is spoken by Mani Ram. He requested his friend Lakshman to save those iron scales for him when he is not here at this place. Mani Ram went off on his journey with an easy mind. Easy mind means he went off from that place with easy. He was very calm, quiet, and he went off from that place. But he had a nasty surprise when he returned. That means when he returned from his journey, he was completely surprised. Nasty surprise means which you have never ever thought about. Okay. So Mani Ram was no fool, and he was not a fool also. He guessed that Lakshman was lying. He would have to trick Lakshman into admitting the truth. Mani Ram thought that Lakshman is telling lie. So he thought of a plan in order to make Lakshman admit the truth. He said, "What happened to my scales?" Okay, so Mani Ram said, "Okay, I'll forgive you. Maybe it's my bad luck." But Lakshman said, "I tried to save your scales, but some mice gobbled them up." Gobbled them up means they ate your iron scales. Thank God he has accepted my excuse. Okay, and Lakshman was happy that Mani Ram was quite satisfied with my reply. Lakshman had not thought it would be so easy to fool Mani Ram. When Mani Ram asked for a favor, he was happy to agree. Now Mani Ram asked for a favor from Lakshman. Mani Ram said, "I want to bath in the river before I go home. Can your son help carry my things?" And then he said, "Certainly, go and help Mani Ram, my son." And he said, "Thank you, I'll be back soon." So Lakshman's son helped carry the things of Maniram, and later on he thanked and said, I will come, I will be back soon. So I hope you have understood this one page. Now let's recall whatever we have learned in this one page of chapter. First is the merchant name is Maniram. Second is his precious possession was pair of iron scales. His friend name was Lakshman. He requested Lakshman to keep them safe. Them here refers to pair of iron scales. He went off on his journey. He got a surprise when he returned, and the surprise was the scales were no longer with Lakshman. Maniram tried a trick on Lakshman to admit the truth. Now Maniram asked for a favor that he want to bath in the river and asked Lakshman for his son to carry the things for him. Lakshman told his son to help Maniram to carry his things. I know it is not a complete chapter, but we'll go page by page. That's all for the first page. Please wait for the next page. Thank you.